Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today I have something really important I want to share. What I call multi-time frame moving averages. So you can have like a weekly moving average on your 1 minute chart. That way you know where you're at with price action without having to change to different time frames on the charts, which saves time and it saves screen space. So I think this is really important to share. So let's get into it. So on the screen here, I have, for example, I have Facebook brought up. Um, I have my weekly chart, my daily chart, my 5 minute chart, and the 1 minute chart. Now you can see here on my weekly chart, I use the main two moving averages I use is the 8 EMA and the 20 EMA. So this light blue is my 8 EMA. That's my weekly. Well, this bolder moving average here is the monthly on the higher time frame. So if I go down here to my daily chart, you can see this time frame, or I'm sorry, this moving my 8 EMA on the daily right here, and then this moving average right here is my weekly. So I have the monthly on my weekly, and then I have the weekly on my daily, and then I have on my 5 minute during the intraday. Um, you can see I have, here's the 5 minute, which lines up with my daily. This is the daily moving average. And then right here would be my weekly moving average. So when I'm day trading, I don't have this particular screen up. I mainly use all my 5 minutes charts, and then I use the 1 minute for my entry and exits. So when I have all the 5 minute charts up, I can see where I'm at. Okay, I'm coming into the daily or I'm coming into the weekly. You can adjust the boldness of these, which is what I use, so I know which one's the daily, which one's the weekly. I have the 8 EMA on each time frame, and it gets bolder as the higher time frame as you go higher. And then my 20 EMA I use as the red, and same thing, it gets bolder, so I know that this one right here is the daily. So, quick example here, I'll show you. I don't have the weekly on my 1 minute. So what I'll do is I'll go up to my studies here. We'll edit studies. I call it multi time frame moving averages. So I'll add it. I'll come right down here. I'll edit it. So I'm wanting to put the weekly moving average, and we're going to do the 8 EMA, and my 8 EMAs are all this color, and it's going to go a boldness of 3 since it's the weekly. If it was the monthly, it would be I'd go 4 for the bold, and then apply, hit OK. So now on the 1 minute here, scroll up, here is the daily. You can see my cursor right here on the daily chart. And then we can go down further. There's my daily, the 20 EMA. And then here would be the weekly 8 EMA. So you can kind of use these for your strategy on different time frames. For me, this saves time when I'll bring down a chart of, this is one of the screens that I monitor. I got a 4 monitor setup. So this 5 minute is up in the corner. These three are the 5, or these here are all 5 minutes, except the ones on the end here. So I can see when a setup is coming close to my strategy, and then I use the 1 minute to dial in. But I can see the moving averages on the 5 minutes, so I don't have to keep scrolling back and forth from the weekly to the daily and so forth. So it helps me know where I'm at in the price action and where the price is at on the chart. Once again, it saves time, and then also saves screen space to where I don't have to have the daily open also right next to the 5 minute and so forth. So I'm going to share that that script. I'm going to put a link below. So if you guys find this helpful, or know anybody that is into the moving averages and really uses those a lot, this here I feel is a must. So if you guys find any value in this, hit that like button. Share this video with anybody that you know that likes the moving averages, because this is kind of my bread and butter. This is what has helped me become profitable with my particular strategy. So if it wasn't for this, I wouldn't have been able to find my strategy, because it saves time and screen space, which is both real important to me. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.